Hey gemstone enthusiasts, welcome back to Geovoices. My name is Ricardo Valls and today I will be talking about gemstones. Did you know that the most valuable gemstone in the world is the pink star diamond, which sold for a whopping $71.2 million at auction? Today we're diving into beginner tips on how to identify genuine gemstones from fakes in our Geovoices 5-minute tutorial. Identifying gemstones can be tricky, especially for beginners. One of the common challenges is distinguishing between genuine gems and their imitations. With so many varieties, colors, and synthetic options available, it's easy to get confused. But fear not, we've got you covered with some expert tips to help you spot the real deal. Let's start with the basics. When examining a gemstone, there are several key characteristics to consider. First, color. The hue and intensity can vary widely among different gemstones. Natural gems often have subtle color variations, while synthetics may appear too perfect or uniform. Next, clarity. Examine the stone for inclusions or blemishes. Most natural gemstones have some imperfections, while synthetic stones may be too flawless. Then, hardness. Different gems have varying levels of hardness. Use the Mohs scale as a reference. For example, diamonds are a 10 on the scale while quartz is a 7. Lastly, weight. Natural gemstones often feel heavier than glass or plastic imitations of the same size. Now, let's dive into some specific tips to help you identify genuine gemstones. First, use a jeweler's loupe. This 10 times magnifying tool is essential for examining gemstones up close. It can reveal important details like inclusions, color zoning, and surface characteristics. Second, check for bubbles. Air bubbles are a telltale sign of glass or plastic imitations. Natural gemstones don't have these. Third, observe light interaction. Hold the stone up to a light source. Natural gems often exhibit unique light properties like fire, which are flashes of spectral colors, or pleochroism, which means different colors when viewed from different angles. Fourth, conduct a fog test. Breathe on the stone. Natural gems will fog up quickly and the fog will dissipate rapidly, while fakes may fog up more slowly. Fifth, feel the temperature. Natural gemstones often feel cool to the touch initially and warm up slowly, while glass or plastic imitations may feel warm right away. Sixth, look for wear and tear. Genuine stones, especially in older jewelry, may show signs of wear. Fake stones often look too perfect. Lastly, use a microscope. This tool can help identify pleochroic gems by showing two different colors when the stone is rotated. Remember, these are just beginner tips. For a definitive identification, it's always best to consult a certified gemologist or use more advanced tools like a refractometer or spectrometer. To wrap it up, practice is key. The more you engage with different gemstones, the better you'll become at identifying them. Keep honing your observation skills, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experts or fellow enthusiasts. Gemstone identification is a journey, so enjoy the process and embrace the learning curve. Now it's your turn. Put your newfound knowledge to the test and practice identifying gemstones using the tips we've shared. Share your experiences and any discoveries in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, the world of gemstones is vast and fascinating, so keep exploring and learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about this channel. Until next time, happy gem hunting.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.